Subtle rejections. Using not a fan of and not into in social situations. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting area of conversational English. We'll be talking about how to express dislikes in social situations, specifically using the phrases not a fan of and not into. These expressions are very useful when you want to communicate your dislikes in a gentle and non-offensive way. So, let's jump in. These phrases are informal ways to express that you don't like something, or you're not interested in it. When you say you're not a fan of something, it's a softer, more polite way of saying you don't like it. Similarly, if you say you're not into something, it means you don't really enjoy it or have interest in it. Here are some examples. I'm not a fan of horror movies. They're just too scary for me. I'm not into football. I prefer basketball. Remember, these phrases are perfect for situations when you want to express your dislike or disinterest without sounding too harsh. Expressing dislikes in social situations can be tricky. You don't want to offend or upset anyone. Let's explore how to use not a fan of and not into to express your dislikes in various social scenarios. At a party. If you're at a party and someone suggests an activity you don't enjoy. I'm not a fan of karaoke, but I don't mind listening to others sing. I'm not into playing board games, but I can watch and cheer you on. During meal times. If you're eating with friends and they offer you food that you don't like. I appreciate the offer, but I'm not a fan of spicy food. Thanks, but I'm not into seafood. Discussing hobbies. When talking about hobbies or interests that you don't share with your friends. I know you love rock climbing, but I'm not a fan of heights. I understand why you enjoy video games, but I'm just not into them. Remember, the key is to express your dislike without dismissing or belittling the other person's preferences. Expressing dislikes in English, particularly in social situations, can be done in a respectful and polite way by using the phrases not a fan of and not into. These phrases will help you navigate conversations smoothly, ensuring that you maintain the friendly atmosphere while expressing your personal preferences. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful. Remember, practice is key. Try to use not a fan of and not into in your daily English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll master these phrases in no time. Until next time, happy learning!